اترجى فيا تبكي عليا.
What's up, good people? Right here in the studio with Mr. Frederick Child, Maximum Risk, Lenny Latin, Simbi, Bakasi, Lenny Latin right there. Say hi to the camera, Lenny Latin. What's up? What's up, man? Hello, Frederick. Check it out. That's your dam with a new video. Where is he?
New video from your dam.
New video from your dam.
Yeah.
And we're not in it, so we got beef. Check this out. Classic song.
And she's on the stairway to heaven
Or hell. Pick this. Chang Chang. Hold it up. Can you dig it?
¿Qué høre mig selv? ¿Qué fue? ¿Qué fue? ¿O qué fue? Fue? Ey.
Now kick it with me.
Ey, yeah. No canten así. No griten así. ¿Qué fue? ¿Qué fue? Fue? Ey, yeah.
Okay, så du får bare sådan et dit vers med sådan her, Lenny.
Lav det der. Det er bare. Lav det Interesting.
Hey, doesn't matter your situation, 'cause it's time to celebrate. And it's all good with the record.
Yeah.
Give me flow. If you let it go with a step away the flow, better blow.
Right. That's what we do.
And a rap is like we're slow, full slow. It's like early in the morning. Yeah.
Mærkelig tone der er i.
Yeah.
Spit that old piano mode like it's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's too early in the morning.
We crazy.
Keep the record